up and it runs and operates well. The deck paint has been touched up, but all the deck components are in very good operating condition. Everything works well. Front tires are in decent shape. Machine has 1,497 hours on it. Seat's in very nice shape. Rear tires are in nice shape. Has a very nice Kohler Command 25 horsepower engine. This machine is also equipped with a mulch system. It can be taken off for side discharge, but it does have a mulch system on it. This machine starts up and runs and operates well. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you.